Well, you see the belt is broken here on my vacuum cleaner, just as I suspected. Thought I'd try something out and try to vacuum my house one more time, or a couple rooms anyway. So what I've got here is a piece of inner tube that I had left over from a lawnmower inner tube. I've already cut a lot off for rubber bands. So what I'm going to try to do is cut about that wide of a band, pretty much the same width as the old one that came off, which is what we have here, and try to put it on the vacuum cleaner and try it out. And here's the vacuum cleaner belt. It's not as long, but it will stretch. So I'm going to try to put this on the vacuum cleaner and possibly vacuum one more time with this. So we'll see if we can do that. Alright, I'm going to set the camera down for a second, guys, because I need two hands here. Alright, so have the belt on the roller now. Alright, let's give it a real test now. I'm going to put the cover back on here and take it inside and try it out. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I got some leaves from outside, guys. I just want to test this so that we can get a clear look at how good it is working. I guess I'm confident enough to put all these on my carpet and hopes that it's going to stay, the belt's going to continue to work. So there we go, sprinkled leaves on the carpet. Let me also get some paper. How about that? So it'll show up pretty well. Okay, just to give a good idea of how it is working here, I tore up little pieces of leaves and some paper there. This will be a good visual test here. So now that I've done that, I'm really hoping that it is going to work here, guys. Otherwise, I'm going to have to clean that up some other way. So let's get the cord out of the way here. Try it out. Well, can't believe it myself, actually. I had cut those inner tubes up earlier for another video that I made, but definitely got to use them in a good way today. The lawnmower inner tube is the one I used. I cut it to size, and I've never tried it before on the vacuum cleaner, but I thought it looked kind of familiar, and that it could possibly work on a vacuum cleaner, and certainly does so far. So maybe I'll be able to get some use out of it. I'll try to keep an update on how long the belt does last. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, everyone take care. Have a great day.